Alright, we're going to figure out how this top cover goes on. Boom, just like magic. Got it on there. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay tuned. Stay well. Just kidding. So to start with, this is a snap. This is not a snap. So I'm going to have to get a snap because this snaps on right here. Right? Now then, there's these plastic doomajigs, right? And there's this bit and that bit, and it slides on like this and locks back. So this goes in here like so. Then you're just going to pull it forward over this bar. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. And it locks in. And then I'm thinking this is going to blow off without this snap to hold it down. Less movement. So that comes off. And then over here, there's a hole. And this comes out. And then back here is where it hooks on. And then there's those black straps. Right? So the only thing I can figure for that is there's this bar piece sticking out. So if we pull this over and tuck it down and under, right, it would hold that. I guess keep it from rattling. I can't find anything else over here, or over here where that would hook to. And it doesn't hook to the cover itself. Step 1, roll the top back. Step 2, loosen this and lock it down. Step 3, get your top cover, hook it back here, plastic piece goes on this right here, Then if you have the snap, snap it. And then this little hook goes in the hole. Close the door. And the top cover for the convertible is installed. Put your seat back. Y'all let me know what you think. I'm not too clear on that rubber strap. I'm pretty sure the rest of it is right. I'll buy some snaps, get that installed, then we can lock it down. That'll keep this from flying off when you're driving. Thanks for watching. Y'all stay well. Oh, don't forget, hit the subscribe button right over there.